Hi kids, welcome back to your computer class once again. As already said earlier, today we are going to do exercise C, D and E. So let us begin with exercise C. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. All machines are non-living things. What is the right answer? It's true because machines are made by human. Number 2. IPO stands for in plus out. Is it a true sentence or a false statement? Children, it is false because IPO stands for input, process, output. Number 3. Computers have no feelings. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is a true statement. Number 4. Humans work faster than computer. Is this statement true? No, children. This is a false statement. Number 5. A computer is an excellent teaching and learning device. So children, as you know, the teachers are using the computers to teach you and you are using the computers to learn. Therefore, it is a true statement. Now let us move to the next exercise, that is exercise D. Match the following. This exercise I will show you from the book. So here we have match the following. First we will read both the columns. What do we have in the first column? Number 1, input. Number 2, humans. Number 3, processing. Number 4, output. And number 5, computer. Let us see what do we have on the other side. Number A, working on given data. Number B, the final result. Number C, never forgets stored information. Number D, data and instructions. And number E, can think and take decisions. Now let us start the matching. Number 1, input. And what will be the right answer from this side? Will it be this one, data and instructions? Input, what is input? Input is the data and instructions that we give to the computer. So let us match. You can draw lines or you may also do number matching. Next, humans. Humans can think and take decisions. So this will go with the last one, E. Processing. What is processing? Processing is the working on the given data. So this will be option A. What is output? Output is the final result. It will be this. And the last one, computer never forgets stored information. So number 5 will match with number C of this column. So this is how we have finished exercise D. Now exercise E. Answer in a word or a sentence. Number 1. Name an electronic device. Answer is computer. Number 2. Write any one quality of a computer. A computer can store a lot of information. Number 3. Name the cycle on which a computer works. Answer is input, process, output or the IPO. Number 4. Which part of the computer does the processing? Answer is Central Processing Unit or CPU. Now children, write down these answers in your computer book and study. In the next class, I will give you some activity to do in your copy. So children, till then, be safe at home, study hard, listen to your parents and have a nice day. Bye-bye.